Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about where to exit and where to the exit level. Where is our exit level when we are going to take the position? We need to find out the exit level is very important. So we are going to discuss about our exit points. Okay, when to entry and when to exit is very the two things in this market is very important. Otherwise, you can't make a consistent profit. If you know the where to entry and where to exit, you will become a professional trader, not a simple trader. You will become a professional trader because these two things are the very important in the market. But I will tell the targets exit level because target is our destination is our target only. If we know our target means we will definitely reach our target. First of all, we want to draw the support and resistance line. Because why, I will tell you the reason why we need to draw our support and resistance line. Actually, this support and resistance is not like a line only, because it's like it's support and resistance zone. It's actually where the buyers or sellers will active the when this price has been reached in this zone. Okay, not exactly one line, it's a zone, it's a support zone. Previously historical zone will be there, then only it will be price will be move in that zone. Actually, we can easily, for new traders, I will easily make this color for green and red. Because here I will make that resistance zones. I will make it as a red color, because when the price is reached in this zone, we need to do exit. That's why I have exit. Why we need to exit here? Because the sellers will be activated. Well, once sellers has activated, what they will start, they started selling. When started selling, price will be down. Sellers is more means demand and supply law will be work here. Okay, see friends, this is a day chart. I'll show you in 15 minutes. Time frame also very important. See, when when price has started from the exact support zone, it will try to moving that the resistance zone. Okay, but resistance zone is where here far, but selling pressure is started here. Because in this week we will find out the selling pressure. Like, see in the candle, what inverted hammer candle has created here, that means selling pressure from the upside has came from the market. So when sellers started selling, the market price has fallen. So we find the red candle big here. Okay, then when sellers are activated, we will find the price has been fallen from here to here suddenly. And like it's then another day we will find out the gap down, and it is price again started, because it's nearby support zone is there, and price started moving upwards. Okay, when price started from here, this is our exit level. Exit level means swing high. See this swing high point is our exit point, and again started falling, and this is our exit level. First thing, we find out that we need to take entry from support zone and exit in the resistance zone. First level, the basic level, this one. If you, for example, if you take order from here, you will price is started moving upwards here, and your positions are in profit. But you are expecting the price is going upwards and upwards, like this upward movement. Yes, market can move sometimes upwards from according to your prediction. Then what we need to do is, we need to do the trailing stop loss. Modify your stop loss in your entry positions, be forward 5 points or 10 points, and put the stop loss there. Your stop loss of your entry level in the forward just upcoming 10 points. Then there is no losses for you. If market moves, keep on moving according to your prediction, then you will get keep on profit. Keep on more earning profit, not simple keep on profit, just earning more and more profit. Okay, that is the trick here, by doing trailing stop loss. And another thing I will tell you, in the, for example, if you are taken buy entry here, and you feel that market is keep on going upside, but you are not doing any trailing stop loss, means market will suddenly start falling. That means your all your profit will be going in loss. Because so we need that, once we need to know that once money is gone in the market, means it's gone. It's really hard to get back that money, because it's a market. It's not that much easy to get easily money. Okay, once your loss means loss.
ಅಯ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ನಾಳೆ
స్క్రీన్ కార్డ్ ఉంది ఎవరికి కాలేదు ట్యాబ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ట్యాబ్ ఎంత సరిపోతుందో ఈ ట్యాబ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది నా ల్యాప్టాప్ తీసుకున్నాను అది బట్ సరిపోతుంది నా ల్యాప్టాప్ ట్యాబ్ ట్యాబ్ ఉంటుంది కదా ట్యాబ్ లైన్ నీకు ఒకవేళ కట్ చేసి
And another thing I will tell you, when to exit. See, I will draw one line now. This is the day beginning candle has created here. Okay, and this is on support zone also, and this is a support zone also. When price, for example, price will moving upward, means there is no issue. Price will keep on moving upward like smooth, means there is no issue. But when price started from here downward falling from here, but where we need to exit is, if we take put option from here, it was, according to our prediction, it was market is moving downside, and here, and you can exit nearby this position, or you need to wait for this support line breakout. When the support line has breakout, means that it will price will retrace like this, and suddenly price will break like this. Okay, either you need to exit this position, or you want to wait this position, wait with trailing stop loss when in the put option, and you want to exit like, if you are confirm that market is going to down only, then you can wait for the breakout of the support line. Then once the support line has break down, that it will act as a resistance. Okay, then price will started moving down like this, because when support line has break down, it will be become the next resistance. It will act as a next resistance. Other, for example, if you taken put option here, like you are predicting market is going downside. In bank nifty it was going downside. If you take put option, you need to exit from the here near support zone. If you take here call option here, if you take call option in the support zone here, this zone, if you take call option, you need to exit at the nearest resistance zone. Okay,
ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇನ ಹೆಸರು ಬೈಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು SRF ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ SRF ID ಪರಿನೈನಾ ID 2952525247
and next where we need to exit means day high and day low. Day high and day low points is where we need to make a points here, because the day high and day low will also gives very good movement here. I will tell you how to make the day high and day lows.
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು SRF ID ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರೀ ನೇಮ್ ಬರೀನಾ
Okay, see, this is the day previous day closing here. Where the candle has closed here, we need to mark that place. See, I will mark this place. Yesterday previous close. Okay, and yesterday's completely low level, and we need to mark those two things.
ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ
This will clearly tell you that how a perfectly trade we can do. Means,
ಹೆಸರು ಮುಂದೆನೆ
if you mark that yesterday's low here, this will perfectly help to the get very good returns. Because see, once yesterday low has broken upside, the price has given the how many points, nearby 3 to 400 points started keep on uptrend. That means Yesterday low has broken in the upside one side, so we need to take call option from here. Means see we
SRF
can do
ideal full
we can get 100 to 200 points very easily. Okay,
2952
and day low, this is a day swing low, and highest high and low is the very important. If price is started moving like this, market is moving like this, we need to exit. For example, in when market is started like this, put option we have taken here and we need to exit here, because this is the low level of the market. For example, if this low level also break, means it will keep on moving like downwards. That means we need to book another 50 points very easily. Like this friends, where to enter day high and day low we need to exit. If you are a swing trader, we need like this. I will tell you the swing how it will come.
male or female
Swing like this, W pattern, swing like this,
ah
swing, it was swing. Okay, when you taken, if you find like this swing, what we need to do is we want to take entries in the swing. See, this is the previous swing. We need to take call option here, swing low and swing high. It was the swing high is this is the swing high. Okay, we just make the support and resistance as a swing high to swing low. This is the swing low and swing, this is the swing high. Okay,
ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ
see, this is the swing low and swing high. Price is moving like this, we have taken call option from this swing low, a previous historical level. We have bought call option from swing low and we need to exit clearly here. Okay, we take an entry here and we take an exit here, because swing high to swing low, we are the entry and exit points. Very easily we can make the money. Swing high to swing low, day high to day low, and support to resistance zone. Okay, these are the entry and exit levels. Exit also we need to know the very important thing. Another technique I will show you is it's an indicator based exit.
ಸರಿ ಜನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಪ್ರೋಟಾರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡುವ
Which indicator we need to use is moving average. Moving average is the best indicators where we will find out that okay, we need to enter the 21 days moving average. This will show that when price started moving from the break, price here, see, clearly break from the moving average upside, we need to take entry here. When price is broken from upwards the moving average, and we need to exit in the nearest swing. For example, I will tell you one thing. See, this is when here price has been started break upside, and where we need to find out very first target. See, when prices started moving like this, and previous swing, this is the previous swing. See here, this is the previous swing. Previous price movement swing is here. So when we take an entry, when moving average has broken upside, previous swing is here. We need to mark from the here like a resistance line. We need to draw a resistance line here. See, we have taken entry here and we need to exit here. We need to exit here. See, we need to exit here. This much gap is our target. Okay, this is our target. When we take an entry here and previous swing is our target. Okay, we are like this. We can find out our targets very easily. Thank you friends. If you have any doubt, means comments below. Thank you very much.